welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, my name is Amy. Today I'll be showing you how to clean your makeup brushes, and if you didn't know that that was a thing that had to be done, then shame on you. No, there's no shaming on this channel. But yes, you should be cleaning your brushes at least once a week. The reason is just because like product buildup and bacteria, dead skin cells, I know, that'll be building up in your brush, which is gross. Okay, you don't want to be putting that back in your face. That's why you need to be cleaning them. Hope you enjoyed the video, and at the very end I'll be showing you how to clean your eyeliner brushes. So to clean your brushes, I use baby shampoo because it's very gentle on the brushes. So what you want to do first is just rinse your brush, get it nice and wet, and then basically putting a little bit of the shampoo on my hand, and then you're going to want to swirl the brush around to cause kind of a lather. And as you can see, there's loads of dirt that we're getting rid of. And using your fingers, you can kind of just really get in the bristles and make sure that you're really getting in deep and getting rid of all the makeup. And then just rinsing it off. And then you can just gently squeeze the ends of the brush to get rid of any excess water. So I'm doing the same with this brush. I'm first getting it nice and wet, and then I'm lathering it up in the shampoo on my hand. You really don't need any of those silicone like washing yolks. Honestly, just using your hand will do the job perfectly fine. And see, I'm getting my fingers right in there, moving it around to really make sure I'm really giving it a deep clean and getting rid of all the makeup. And then again, just gently squeezing the ends of the brush to get the excess water out. Just to make things quicker when I'm doing a lot of these small little brushes, because you'll have a lot of them, is that I put some of the shampoo down on the flat surface, and then easily you can kind of just scoop in to the shampoo and wash them, and it's just kind of quicker this way when you're doing like a lot of the small brushes. Also, you want to be using cold water. You don't want to be using hot water to wash your brushes, otherwise this can break the glue down again and could lead to hair fallout. Then you just want to kind of go through the brushes with a towel, and then basically using my fingers, I'm just kind of molding the brush back into its original shape, so that when it dries, it's going to dry in the shape that it should be. Don't stand your brushes upright when they're wet. Again, this could cause the water to seep down to the glue and break up the glue over time. Okay, so to clean your liner brushes, so this is a Garnier Micellar Water, and this one has oil in it and it says it removes waterproof makeup. If you go into any Boots or pharmacy, they will sell waterproof makeup remover, and they'll probably have oil in them, which is what loosens up the gel liner and removes it. Okay, so you just want to get some kitchen paper. So I'm shaking up the bottle to get all that oil mixed in, putting a generous amount down. And see, straight away it's coming off. Sometimes I kind of squeeze it like this, really get in there. And then on a clean, fresh piece, I just do a little more, just to really make sure that I've cleaned it. There it is, a clean brush. It's nice and bendy again and clean, fresh for me to use. Using waterproof makeup remover is also great for cleaning your lipstick brushes. So for doing this lip, I was using a lip brush. So I would use this as well to get rid of that. Okay, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.